Hey there, breakfast lovers. Ready to start your day with a healthy, energy-boosting meal? A nutritious breakfast can kickstart your metabolism, improve concentration, and keep you energized throughout the day. I've got an easy and super delicious breakfast idea that'll have you feeling amazing all morning long. Let's get into it. Today we're making the ultimate healthy breakfast bowl, packed with protein, fiber, and tons of nutrients to power you through your day. Here's what we'll need. Greek yogurt, rich in protein for muscle repair and probiotics for gut health. Chia seeds, packed with omega-3s for brain health, fiber for digestion, and antioxidants. Fresh berries, full of antioxidants to keep you glowing, vitamins for immune support, and fiber for satiety. Almond butter for that creamy texture, healthy fats for heart health, and vitamin E for skin. Granola for that perfect crunch, whole grains for sustained energy and fiber for digestion. And of course, a touch of honey for that natural sweetness and a quick energy boost. First, grab a nice bowl and scoop in about half a cup of your Greek yogurt. You can use plain or flavored, depending on your preference. This is where the magic starts. Greek yogurt gives you that creamy base with a ton of protein. Next, we're adding a tablespoon of chia seeds. You can also use flax seeds or hemp seeds for a different texture. These little guys are so powerful. They'll help keep you full for hours. Now let's pile on those fresh berries, blueberries, raspberries, or even strawberries. Feel free to mix and match. These antioxidants are a game changer for your immune system. And don't forget the almond butter. You can also use peanut butter or any nut butter you like. Just a spoonful will give your bowl a rich, nutty flavor and keep you satisfied. Trust me, it's so good. Now, top it all off with a sprinkle of granola for that crunch factor. You can use any type of granola you like or even crushed nuts. And a drizzle of honey for just the right sweetness. Maple syrup or agave nectar works great too. For an extra tropical twist, add some coconut flakes. Or try adding sliced banana for extra potassium and natural sweetness. And there you have it, the ultimate healthy breakfast bowl. It's creamy, crunchy, sweet, and savory all at once. Plus, it's packed with everything you need to fuel your body and kickstart your day. Seriously, this is so good. The perfect way to treat yourself while still staying on track with your health goals. For serving, try adding a drizzle of honey or a sprinkle of chia seeds for extra texture and flavor. If you have leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the fridge. They'll stay fresh for up to 3 days. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more healthy meal ideas, and drop a comment telling me your favorite breakfast. See you next time for more delicious inspiration. Have a fantastic day ahead. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining your energy levels throughout the day. Share your own healthy recipes in the comments or on social media with the hashtag #HealthyEats. Let's inspire each other to eat better and live healthier. Subscribe for more healthy recipes. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos on quick lunch ideas and nutritious snacks.